the dais. So, to the conference, national conference on the data revolution.
As you are aware, we feel there is intellectual decadence prevalent everywhere. Education system is there, maybe it is mostly memory based. The skills, the reflection.
Magasi Mangalam, he is the CEO of Genotypic Private Limited. Welcome once again to him. And our own Dr. Kameshwar Rao, who was the chairman of Botany department. Welcome to him also. And as always, we have Reverend Father Melvin, who is always inspiring us, encouraging us, giving support to organize all these kind of programs. Welcome to him. And to my team of this organizing committee, we have Dr. Jayarama Reddy, Xavier, and my colleagues, my students. Welcome to all of you. Now my job is to introduce this conference to the audience. What is big data and what is big data revolution? You all know very well that it is needless to say that knowledge is power. But how this knowledge is generated, how the topic it is going to be soon, it's all about a drug Silk Road, okay, and how it is, how this is going to be, So about this drug, so this.
And I can see a lot of young faces, so that is what I like to speak to. And thanks for a very generous introduction. My area of expertise was in genetic engineering, and I'm still interested in functional genomics. So at IBAD, which is an institute which runs its own master's degree program in bioinformatics and
biology, and the impact of the huge amount of data that we are gathering, right? Yeah. Each data or each data set by itself is a story. The larger the story or more number of stories, it's difficult to comprehend and understand the gist of each story.
Good evening, everybody. Can you hear me? Hello? Yeah. Good evening. This topic what I have prepared is made.
And now my friend Shruti is going to continue with the methodology. Good evening. So about the methodology, so we chose the pathogen which is a fungi.
Interests lie in the area of stochastic control and optimization, vehicular traffic control, autonomous systems, communication, wireless networks.
But please keep the noise level very low. You don't want to disturb the speaker. Please stand up for welcoming the chief guest.
I will not bore you, right? So it depends upon how much people are keen enough what is I'm going to present here. So this is a little bit of natural product chemistry. I don't know how many of you are from natural products discipline, and also little computational biology. That's why if you carefully observe my slide, there are 72 liters. We started with 72 liters of the product.
Okay.
You can go for 100 liters also. You have the capacity, right? Container. Go for large scale. To go for large scale, the yield will be what? Somehow. Because you need to go for purification also. Purification is a tedious task. It's not so easy. So chemists, they can even understand. Because crude, sometimes there are 4 compounds or 5 compounds in crude. Fortunately, in our crude, there is 2 compounds. Right? All that in plant and all, if you go for, the compounds will be more. Right? 5 compounds, 10 compounds also. And it's very difficult to predict. Compounds are more, if you go for fractionation, the yield will be very.
Santosh Glorious has come from our Yes? Yeah. 11:30, no? 11:30. Oh, because I'm still 11:30. I'll come another this group. Is it ready? Over? I go. Yes. You are ready? Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you. That book for other meeting. That is the call. Yes.
You prevent, avoiding and protected sex and blood transfusions, unknown hospitals where you get to diagnose. Be careful in that. So another two important things are free. I told you about how the antiretroviral therapy works. So how it actually works is, as we all know, I told you from trial to trial, and every challenge has always only been taken as a learning in conducting the next trial. India had paused to be one of the clinical research hub from 2013 to 2016 due to various reasons. Let's quickly see what are the reasons why India had paused. There were a lot of ambiguities and there were a lot of challenges and uncertainties.
Are statistically, the main statistically significantly highly expressed in the context of cancer. Okay, this is the data that shows that. Then we were studying only at the level of mRNA or gene expression. We also wanted to know, because after mRNA expression, this should directly lead to the protein expression. So we also found some of the genes that we identified previously also show higher expression in the context of lung.
Have done participated in this conference. As I mentioned earlier, I am thankful to each and every one of you, but there are 2 special people whom I want to thank. 3 people I want to thank. One is Dr. Vaishnavi. I want
and do some research, because all of them, they are in their field great people. They have done a lot of work in their own field, and I request, and definitely I expect also from you, all of you, to do some work in your field and definitely utilize these informations, whatever they have given, and do your best. Thank you so much.
I'm very happy to thank Professor Jayarama, Head Big Data Analytics, Professor Xavier, Head Computer Science Department, for your enormous cooperation in organizing this event. I extend my heartfelt thanks to all the speakers from different institutions and industry, sponsors, press, research scholars and students from various colleges and universities, management, organizing team and student volunteers for all your untired efforts.
Each one of you, and lot of you would have gained new information also, and make my advice is to, for the students, is to make use of
the information what all you have got in the last 2 days in your career. Thank you all.
As we come towards the end of the session, I would like to request our Reverend Father.
Because I see people dressed well, trying to adjust their dresses, going around, taking selfies and so on. It's a good atmosphere. This also will create certain images, and I will be telling our students, use the Google Lens, identify the plants, identify the animals, identify everyone. So this particular seminar, I suppose, has created a lot of data. But the data has to be helpful and useful. Because in the mobile, sometimes the space is not enough for the data. You need to delete and delete and delete. So in the mind also there is a possibility. I suppose they ask very good questions in the exam. All of you have cleared the exam, I suppose. So that if the data remains in the mind, you will be able to pass your exams also. Otherwise it will become difficult. Sir mentioned, someone said, all are equal, but some are more equal. I suppose George Orwell.
All the dignitaries and delegates who have made this national conference on data revolution in computational biology and drug development NCDCD 2019 a memorable and wonderful one. It's my privilege to thank Father Melvin Dicona, Rector, St. Joseph's College for his presidential address and taking his time out in spite of his busy schedule. It's always a great pleasure to hear your address. And it's capable to store our data and effectively we can retrieve the data with effective algorithms.